Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for the vehicles listed below. Before we begin, if you're uncomfortable with any of the processes listed in this guide, we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you're following all the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Prepare or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Unbolt the front body mount bolt and jack up the front of the cab to relieve the weight. Begin cutting off the old front body mounts. Step 3. After cleaning the frame free of rust and debris, paint the part and work area with a weldable primer to help prevent against rust. Step 4. Measure the opposite side of the frame to reinstall the front body mount. Line up the bolt and bushing. Then, tack weld the part on before fully welding it onto the frame. Finally, spray the part with primer to help prevent against any further corrosion. Reinstall or replace the body mount bushing. Then you're done!